This is what I want to show you guys. Look at this little breadfruit tree right here. A beer so early.
I-download sa yung card with Copy of Next Media. Good luck.
Alright people, on my way to the bush. As usual. Showing what I'm going. Showing a little back view, I'm gonna see what I'm going. So I'm going up there, so people. Beautiful mountain. So showing how I'm going for the surroundings and everything. You see it, people? So I'm just go and take in the video here. Like and share and subscribe. Everybody know that this is Cersei tree. Yeah man, this is Cersei. This is what I want to show you guys. Look at this little breadfruit tree right here. A beer so early. Yeah people, you know now inside view I can see what I want for breadfruit. See what I want for breadfruit people. See the people showing you breadfruit tree. See the breadfruit upon tree and thing. Yeah man, breadfruit upon this a little tree. Yeah. See that? I smallest breadfruit tree this me see. Beer from an early age. You see it? Yeah. Me if I wonder what go on or what could have caused this. I must real blessing. Yeah man, I'm real blessing people. people. Sorrel there, you know, man. Sorrel there. Yeah, man. Sorrel there. This is a soursop tree.